Now there's kind of four, whenever I do it with somebody, there's four levels that I look for. The first one, and this is on the handout version of this. The first one is I would start with physical. I would start with anything that is, just because that's the easiest to find. You know, if I were to say, okay, do we have any headaches in here? How many would raise your hand? Do we have any headaches at all? A couple? A few of us? Okay, so any kind of out of balance discomfort, head to toe. And that's the first thing I would look at. I would say, where do you feel it? And the object of, or the purpose of this is to find what exactly this is, and you have to zero in on the exact problem. So you don't just say, if I were to ask you to describe your headache, you wouldn't say, well, I've got this pain in my head. I would ask you, where exactly is that pain? What does it look like? What color is it? What's the kind of feel of it? The texture? I'd want you to really get in tune with the problem, not for the purpose of you trying to make it go away, but for the purpose of that inner healing mechanism that we talked about last time, to know where it's supposed to go to work now. And I know that sounds really weird, but that's how it works. The object is to get as close to the reality of the problem as you can, and then start the process. Okay? This first page is just kind of a here's how you do it. I want you to turn with me in this packet to the last page. Okay, go with me to this last one. I know this, you want to read it all. But go to this last page that has the little tree on it. So, it says in that this little picture with the tree on it and the words to the right. So what we're looking for are symptoms. The assumption is this is the cause. Watch me. This is the cause. This is the symptom. Whatever it is, depression, fibromyalgia, phobias, asthma, this is the symptom of a cause, according to this technology. So all of these problems that we have are just symptoms. So and our job is to find the symptom. The easiest one for me is to start with is the physical. What's going on physically that's not homeostasis, balance, feeling good, flowing. Okay? Now, on this tree, you'll notice that there's different levels of this. The symptoms, side effects, so addictions, PTSD, heart ailments, hypertension, weight issues, asthma, self-sabotage, pain, illness, clutter and procrastination, the emotional one. So this first one that I look for is physical, and then the next one I go to is emotional. Because those are fairly easy too. You know, what are you feeling now? Nervous, frustrated, upset, anxious, worried. And you dial into that particular emotion. You don't dial into it for the purpose of trying to change it. You just are bringing it to your awareness, and then you let the process happen.